And Mecklenburg County says that there have been almost 15,000 cases of the coronavirus and 168 deaths in the county since Sunday. And about 3 in 4 of those cases, they were adults, ages 20 to 59 years old. More than a third of the cases are Hispanic, and with most being younger adults. During the past week, an average of 175 people with laboratory confirmed cases were hospitalized in Mecklenburg County. Now, statewide, North Carolina reached a new record number of people in the hospital. That is 1,109. And if you look at the 7-day average, it continues trending upward. But there are still plenty of hospital beds available in North Carolina. If you look at South Carolina, hospitalizations continue going up there as well. As of Tuesday, there were more than 1,500 people in the hospital, with more than 200 on ventilators.
Mecklenburg County health officials are tracking coronavirus outbreaks at local daycare centers. On Monday, we told you that 22 children tested positive, along with 4 staff members at 3 facilities. The county health director says that most of that spread is coming from within families that send multiple children to daycare. And while those are the only outbreaks the state designated in Mecklenburg County, we are learning of another daycare center with at least 1 positive case. A woman with ties to the learning experience on Providence Road in Ballantyne says a teacher tested positive. She wanted to remain anonymous, but told us that she wishes the owners would do more to prevent the spread.
Personally, I think that they should have shut down the whole facility, make everyone quarantine, anyone that had any contact with the children, the parents as well, for at least as long as 2 weeks. And then if everyone was able to come back, everyone's fine, has been tested, then they could open it back up, obviously with a deep clean and all.
Now, we did reach out to the Learning Center. Management told us immediately after being informed of the positive case, the facility notified families and went beyond the CDC guidelines to respond, including extensive cleaning. And they say the health of the children and the staff is their highest priority.
New this morning, a promising response from phase 1 of a coronavirus vaccine. The New England Journal of Medicine published the results from the vaccine that the company Moderna developed. It showed an immune response in all volunteers who received it. And on top of that, their levels of antibodies were similar to patients who naturally recovered from COVID-19. The 45 volunteers showed side effects, and they included fatigue, chills, and muscle pain. The phase 3 trial gets underway later this month.